Assalamu alaikum everyone. Welcome to Design Hut. Today's topic is banner design. So let's start and make a banner. First of all, I will fix here some design. Then I will go to the main part, which is the banner design. So let's start here. Okay. Banner design now. Sorry. Yeah. This is okay. And now I will change this color. Sorry. I will change this color. Uh, Change this color, and is which is blue, and it should be the it should be the it should be the white, but I will make a stroke here. So how it look like? I think it look good. So here here I will make a stroke here, which will be the black. So let's see how it look like. And these two will be the blue. These two will be the blue, and how it look like? I think it's look very good. Now I will save it down. Save it down here. Sorry, here is a error problem. It takes some time, so let's see how much it take. Okay, it's good. Now I'll export it as PNG format. This is PNG format, and replace it with the post. So go to the main design. So you have to click here, new file. Then it will take some time. Now we can see it is taking some time for the panel design. You have to take 1280 into 420. Yes, got the template, and now I will show you the design. And And now I will change this color. Yes, it's good how it look like, but I will make here some change which is zero, and I will fix it. Now you can, first of all, you have to change its template, then um, sorry, company name, company name. You have to write here company name. Then you have to write here the address. The address it's good. It's good. And now I will make a topic here. Topic. Make a topic here, which will be the 36. 36 is good. Now I will change this template and no, I'll make it 14. 14 will be the perfect here for writing. You can write here as you want. I'll change this color. Change this color. Make it red. How it look like. See, make it red. And this topic should be here. Should be here. And how it look like. I think it's look pretty good to see. And here you can do many things. Let's see www dot e2ktion dot com dot bd. You can write here education video. I think its color is very looking odd, so I'll change this color, which will be green. How it look like? I think it's look decent. So you can do it. How it look like? This too is very good to see, and you have to write down on the design what you want, and you have to make it always. And today it is end of today's class, and I will show you more things on the next class. Thank you all. Allah Hafiz.